Such a big boy to burn all that garbage for me.
Thanks.
If that smoke starts blowing on you, just move to the opposite direction. You know they say if you play in fire, you pee in the bed?
Yeah, but burning stuff ain't playing anything.
Oh. That's pretty smart.
Playing with it is like you would hit. I'll tell you, take water on fire and throw it up and...
Where are you going? What's wrong with you, baby? Molly!
He's about to cry.
Well, you shouldn't have scared him that bad. You better check and make sure he didn't pee on
His
himself.
heart is flying.
Oh, God! Hey, you right.
Molly! What you doing, Molly?
Oh, my God!
What you doing? Say. What you doing, Molly? Say. What you doing? Want a treat?